who came with me on my ship of fools. Look who came with me on my ship of fools.
Having a great ride. Got some waves now. Okay.
It's a good cast.
Yep, that's a very good cast. But just to let you know, if you want to definitely
Nice cast.
nice cast. Then you can just bring it in slow and put it
Yeah,
right
bring
down.
it right where that. Wait for the
Okay, it's
fish.
too far away.
No, though.
Well, here it
See?
goes. All right, you got it.
No.
Yep, you got it. You got a fish. You got a fish. Can you believe that?
On my first try.
On your first try.
I just got you in my first try, got it.
Yep.
Wow, let's look at this.
Yeah. All right. So should I show you how to take them off?
Fish in there so far. Let's see the fish. Look at that fish. See, we caught this fish.
Very big.
Okay. You know that spot we talked about, right?
Oh yeah.
So just reel it on over. You're gonna get a fish. Okay, now. You got it. You got it.
Two.
Oh my god, that is so. Oh my god.
Make sure you get him before he goes.
That is so big.
He's bigger.
Fish.
That was actually very heavy.
Yeah.
Is that the same one?
No.
No, it's the same family, but a different fish.
Okay. Move back to me.
Oh god.
That's good. That's good. Okay.
Got something, got something, got something.
All right.
Boom.
All right. Come over this way.
He wants a taste of all those fish. He wants a taste of all those
You
fish.
sure does.
Stuff.
There we go.
This one's close to his eye
Okay.
also.
All right. Let me
You got
take this
three?
little bucket.
So much fish.
Right there. That's good.
That's what I wanted.
That's perfect. Okay. Reel up. Reel up.
Count, count.
Jeez, I can't wash my hands.
Got one.
This reminds me of, you
Oh
know.
god.
Okay, come
jeez.
quickly
Oh
before-
God. Oh my god. Oh
Over to the
god.
bucket. The worm went flying off.
What?
Another fish.
Where does this smell coming out of my hands?
He's just smelling fish. Spot.
Plus,
We're
you're
on a
the
roll.
fisherman.
Oh yeah, right
You
there.
don't
That's
need us to help. You're catching plenty.
Would you look at that? The fifth one in a row caught by Bennett. He's
Before.
cooked them before.
Sometimes I had to get up. So they. All right. So I.
Oh, whoa. Bennett, hold on. Yeah.
my God.
Let me help you lift this.
OMG!
Look at Papa. Oh, hold on. Let's go.
Go, go, go.
Now don't go near the water again.
Hold on. Okay.
Okay. Actually, what you want to do is stand right here.
Yeah.
Stand right here. Stand right here, away from the water.
Yeah, stand on the mouth.
Am I going to actually go get them? See, the thing is, the bucket's not big enough for all of them now.
Go. Push it slowly. And they'll all slowly fall out. There they go. There they go.